then move it with me. Did you press it?
Yeah. It's blinking. It's blinking. Go, go, go. But do it over there where I can see your feet.
You're supposed to move it.
But when you move towards there, you can't see your feet. Oh. Do the moonwalk. Cool, man. Right. You're moving faster than I could. Okay, now do your dance. Very good, Char. How long does this go for? Right. You almost fell on George. Okay, how do I stop it?
Press the red button.